welcome back. So Haryana, Kerala, they are having that much of rate, and we all can understand how we feel when a child is born, how much glad we are, and how we feel when we have to lose a child. Because child is very precious, lovable, and something which cannot be compared with anything else in this world, right? So now we will go to see that what are the public facilities which a country or state is providing to the basic needs, rather, to the common people. How is it that the average person in Haryana has more income than average person in Kerala, but now they are having maximum income or more income than Kerala, they are lagging behind? Why? The reason is money is in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you may need to live well. Now you are having money in your pocket, but you are not getting all the facilities, or you are not able to get all the facilities which you require to have a healthy and prosperous or hygienic life, rather. So actually, for many of the important things in life, the best way also, the cheapest way is to provide these goods and services collectively. Just think, will it be cheaper to have collective security or the whole locality, or for each house to have its own security? What will be the cheapest way? What can be the cheapest way? The cheapest way is to, if you have a locality where security guards are being kept on behalf of the local people, so that they can take care of the security of the people of the specific area. Will that be cheaper? Or if individual family is going to keep security for their support, that will be cheap. Of course, if you are going to have security on the basis of the locality, that will be cheaper, because 10 people are contributing to get 1000 and single one person is contributing 1000. Which will be better? When 10 people are contributing, then their amount of contribution is less than that of the individual person's contribution. So Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because it has adequate provision of basic health and educational facilities. Kerala has a low infant mortality. Infant mortality, বাচ্চাদের কথা বলা হচ্ছে, because it has adequate provision of basic health and educational facility. বাচ্চারা কেরালায় কম মারা যাচ্ছে because they are giving a good healthy support, or a good health support, or good health facilities, good educational support, good educational background. When a baby is born, then precisely from the very first moment onwards, the baby need a great medical health support, medical health facility, which if not is provided, then the baby is going to lose, or the baby has to lose this world very soon without any choice. Now, sustainability of development. Suppose the present that a particular country is quite developed, we would certainly like this level of development to go up further, or at least be maintained for future generations. This is obviously desirable. However, since the second half of the 20th century, a number of scientists have been warning that the present type and level of the development are not sustainable. Groundwater is an example of renewable resources. Now, when we need a sustainable resource, when we need a sustainable development, then we have to think about environment. We have to think about something which can be conserved. We have to think about our usages of products, specifically of those which are which cannot be renewed, which are going to be destructed, which are going to be absent, which are going to be completely departed rather from this nature, this beautiful nature. So we need to be much more conscious, much more aware of the natural instinct or the natural support which nature is giving us for a good, better, healthy, hygienic and sustainable development. Of course, money is the thing which matters, but only with money you will not sit and eat money. You need food, and for getting food you need a sustainable development. That's all of this lesson. Here the lesson ends, and in my next session I am going to shift to the exercises of the lesson, and by this time, till my next session, you just go through the lesson very minutely and consciously mark out the places where you are having doubts. In my next class, I'll clear the doubts and shift to the question answer section. So be healthy, stay fit, be happy. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.